Nathan, how are you? Nathan!
Yes.
How are you feeling?
Terrible.
Oh, bro, I got just the thing for you. Here, take this.
What is this? Positive vibes.
Yeah, positive vibes, Nathan.
What is this supposed to mean?
It's supposed to help you feel better.
Think positive vibes is gonna cure my mono?
Yeah, I think it will.
Are you kidding me? Positive vibes? You think that's gonna cure my mono?
Yeah, Nathan, just think positive vibes.
Oh yeah, I'll show you positive vibes.
Whoa, Nathan, Nathan, what are you doing? What are you doing? Nathan, please. Nathan, we don't have to.
Like these positive vibes.
Nathan, please. That's so much duct tape, please.
Positive vibes right here, gonna cure you.
Nathan, please.
Positive vibes. Woo! Oh, Nathan, please.
Number 2.
No, Nathan. You don't have to do that one.
Why?
Let's go to lunch. I'll take you to lunch.
I don't have any swipes.
Nathan, I'll pay for you. It's
Oh.
no big deal.
Alright.
Oh, cool.
Sweet. Let's go.
Sick. Alright, cool.
Go to lunch.
Cool. We don't have to do the other one.
Yeah. Ready to go to lunch?
Yeah, let's do this. Wait! Oh! That hurt!
That actually hurt. I kind of messed up.
That first little hurts so bad.
Yeah,
Oh my god.
that was on accident.
It kind of burns, I'm not gonna lie.
Jesus Christ,
What?
don't do that ever again.
What did I do?
Oh my god, that was terrifying.
Now don't.
You have herpes.
Oh my gosh. Do I have herpes? I don't know.
Find out next episode.
That's beauty right there.
Absolute beauty. Taya, where's your phone?
They said they'd be here at 2:30. What's that all about?
It's 2:32 on my watch.
It's 2:32. Nathan, don't be too harsh on them. Nathan, I don't know if that's a good idea. Hey, Nathan.
What? Screw your positive vibes. Not again.
Standing on a rock.
Taya. Oh my god. Taya, Lynn Bushling. You get off of that Lynn.
Uh-oh.
I think I can find a closer way.
I'm not looking.
Dad.
Papa Nathan over here.
I'm not looking. Not my response. I'm gonna let the mom handle
My
her.
roommate's gonna die.
Hey, then you get a free
Free
diploma,
degree. Yeah.
free degree.
Really?
Yeah.
Die, Taya, die!
Do a backflip.
What?
Do a backflip. We're at the Walmart version of the Grand
The
Canyon.
Walmart version. I think it's better because it has like spikes and stuff. The Grand Canyon just has a freaking huge hole.
You're
I
knocking
know.
on the Grand Canyon. You're like, oh, I hate the Grand
You
Canyon.
stare at it for like 2 seconds and you're like, dang, this is pretty cool. And then you walk away and you're fine.
One of the 7 wonders of the world, and you're just bagging on it.
Why so serious?
So raise your glass if you are wrong, and on the right ways, Lord, undercomes. So sweeter, and I gave forgiveness out of the night. So it's like you and I. Skydiving, I went. Rocky Mountain climbing, I went. 2.7 seconds on a bull named Fu Manchu, and I loved deeper, and I spoke sweeter, and I watched an eagle as it was flying. And he said, someday I hope you get the chance like you were dying.